Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82, back at again, another first impression slash unboxing. This time it's going to be provided by Olsa Tools. Now remember, if you go on to Olsa Tools website and you add in the code Bravo Sierra Bravo 10, Bearded CB, so to speak, so BSB 10, that will get you 10% off on their website. So they contacted me and asked me if I'd be interested in giving these guys a workout. Well, they're the indexing head. It's a two-piece set, 180-degree rotation, chrome vanadium. A little bit harder than chromoly, but a lot of pry bars you kind of get. It'll vary actually. Something I do have to compare with this old school gear wrench. This is the jumbo extending version, part number 82220, patent pending from 2011 maybe was when I picked that guy up. Definitely not been a slouch. So I got something to kind of compare it with. So we're gonna see definitely if it sees anything like that. Obviously, this you get more leverage, extendable, 3.5 feet, blah blah blah. But now on these guys, comes with a hard toolbox case actually, so that's not too bad if you got the room in your toolbox. Bubblegum's getting kind of full, so this probably take home with me as far as the plastic case goes. Does come with the smaller version. I'm thinking wheel seals and stuff, guys, on this one. So, and then what's that? Yep, the 10-inch and 20-inch. So, obviously twice as long. That's what she said. Blazoned Olsa Tools. Safety glasses, all that jazz on there. What else do we have? Well, another guy I work with, he's got a snap-on version of these, and I think the smaller snap-on one alone runs about $100. And there's some variances here, and I'll point those out. So on this, you press in, the indexing bar comes out, possibly plus, possibly minus. Chance for some stuff to get in there, possibly. It's got a really, really good spring to it, though, I will say that. The snap-on one that I know is akin to the internal design-wise, similar to this gear wrench one. I don't know if Gear Wrench even makes these anymore. If they'll do, I'll post a link down below or something like that. Where the push, you've got a little bit more of a seal in there. These are handy. I love this pry bar just for the fact that if I need to, if I got to hold up a drive line or something, replacing a pinion seal, I can index that point over and then get up underneath of it and spread it apart in between the frame rails and darn it, be able to hold the drive line up no problem. I've pried a lot of stuff with this and it's never broken, and she's seen more than her fair share. Had this pry bar probably the longest out of all the other pry bars I have. Love it. Mitigatable, all steel, so your handle on the bottom, though, it's another ball game. Different comparisons, but as far as the head goes, a little bit of difference in head action. The snap-ons, you don't have the teeth exposed like that. But if you start having a problem, you can visually inspect it, see if you have a broken tooth. Olsa Tools has a lifetime warranty. I'm guessing a lot less hectic than dealing with Gear Wrench, because anybody that's, granted this was original Gear Wrench before the Apex tool days. Anybody that's had to deal with Apex tools knows how much of a headache that can be. This one also, now the heads on these, Action's the same. I wouldn't minded have seen a little bit more of a chisel point on those, but I might have to fix that later. Wheel caps, things like that. This little guy will be able to get in there. We'll definitely make her sure. Overall, a little bit of movement, a little bit of movement, a little bit of movement. I think the snap-ons the other guy has does roughly the same. The handle on this one, just like the snap-ons, all unitized. I don't know on the gear wrench version of these. Can't say. This one here appears to be a two-piece, as you see there. So I don't know if that's epoxied in there, if that's threaded in there and thread locked. If it comes loose, I'll definitely be letting you guys know. But so far, first impressions, gainful. But a diesel shop is, yes, there are times when I wanted this to be about this size or this size. So we'll be getting our use out of these guys and beating the crap out of them and give you guys updates as we roll along. I know it's been a while since I put videos out, but been busy, very busy, and soon to be busier with the busy season coming up. Anyways, though, first impressions, hope y'all like it. Hope everybody's doing good. I'll leave a link down below, Olsa Tools, along with my coupon code. And then also, for those of you the guys that shop Amazon, I'll be leaving links down below as well, especially to this beast of a thing. If they still make it, we'll post a link to that down there as well. So far, first impressions, looking decent. We'll get them used up and find out more. So remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. And, you know, this wouldn't be a bad thing to keep handy underneath your truck seat or something, you know, stuff that's going on. Never know when you need a good pry bar, especially on the road. Take care.